Hey man, I'm about to show y'all this banging, alright man. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Right now, man, we're about to go and get this car cleaned up. I'm about to go holler at Touch Up Detailing. See if they can tighten your boy up real quick. If I can get this damn seatbelt on. Because this car is super dirty. I don't know if y'all can see that, man. I was eating some stuff in here, me and my sons. And man, we just been super carrying the crap out the Charger, man. So, about to go up here, man, and get this thing cleaned up. Hopefully, it can fit me in, man. It's kind of like last minute. And, you know, it gets dark so quick now. Not even a guarantee that they're gonna take me right now, but we're gonna go up here, man, and see what's happening. And I'm on E. I don't know if y'all can see it. Look at that. I'm tripping. Definitely need to go over and get some daggone gas real quick, bro. Got a Challenger, blue jump. Oh, that don't sound good too. I think that's a RT. Oh yeah. Oh no, that sound like a scat. That don't sound good, bro. See what's poppin'. See, I ain't got no gas, so I can't fool with them. Caught me at a bad time, or I see what's happening. Gotta be careful rolling through buoy though. These battles out, these police out here don't care, yo. Pull your ass over quick. Yeah, that's a RT. Don't sound good though. I don't know. It might not be a RT. Nah, ain't no damn RT. Oh yeah, it is. So I was about to say we got a track hawk, but nah, it ain't no track hawk. That's a regular GT. That don't sound good. I might have got lucky, man. See nobody up here, man. Let's see what they talking about. Yeah, man, so they gonna take care of me. I got up here a little late, but it's gonna get me done. Yes, sir. I was hoping he's gonna take care of me, man, because my junk's super dirty. And they got the little black Denali junk back there looking slick. That junk dirty. Y'all can't even really see it, but junk definitely dirty. Trying not to stop. I only drive it through the regular car wash a couple times with the brushes and all that, but most of the time I use the touchless, the brushless car wash. So I say I hope I ain't too late, man. This joke's super dirty. Yeah, man. So I'm up here at Touch Up Detailing, man. They gonna get me straight. Gonna take them a few minutes, but it's worth the wait. Because every time they wash my joint, man, they get me right, man. So if y'all in the area, man, come up here and holler at Touch Up Detailing, man. They get you straight every time. Matter of fact, I'll show y'all this Denali real quick when I'm back here. This joint like that. That joint clean. I don't know if the owner in the inside, he might be gone, but that joint clean. Yes, sir. Hey man, I'm about to show y'all this banging, alright man, this joint is like that. Y'all about to love this. Look at the wheels of this junk, man. And you got the sweet like that Camaro junk right here. This junk must got like the 22s on this junk. Look at this junk, man. This junk crazy. That's crazy. Look at what kind of wheels on this junk. 22s on this junk, man. Can't tell me you ain't seen nothing. I ain't seen no junk in the city like this. This junk is wicked. Dream car right here, bro. No doubt. And look at these wheels. I don't know what size these junks is. These junks are 26s. Get my junk fresh. Yes, sir. Hey man, if y'all need y'all car clean, man, you need ceramic coating, anything done like that, man, they got you up here. I'm gonna show y'all the fly. Hand washing, paint correction, ceramic coating, everything, man, they got you covered up here. Camaro's slick too. God damn. Oh yeah, man, got me straight. She's shining again. Yes, sir. That junk wet, Slim. Ooh-wee. Tell you, man, every time I get this junk clean, maybe we just want to keep it, man. Y'all can't tell me this junk ain't clean, bruh. Look at that, bruh. They got me right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the inside, I know it's dark, but they got the inside of this junk smelling so vicious. Let's start this junk up, man. Turn this lights on so y'all can see me, man. Yeah, bro, they got me straight. Man, this junk smell good, man. We about to do some real big things, man. I just talked to the owner, man. And man, we about to collaborate. So I got some good things coming to the channel, man. Y'all gonna be very, very, very happy, man, when we kick off some things, man. Cause my man got some whips, bruh. I'm talking about we ready to do the Lambos and everything, bruh. So I got some real stuff ready to come to the channel, man. Me and the owner, we've been talking, man. We're gonna collaborate on some things, and I got some good stuff coming to the channel, man. So if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe, man, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.